Welcome to Vital Health Guide. Today reveals the hidden warning signs your body uses to signal hidden heart problems. These physical clues are not definitive diagnoses, but rather crucial warning lights prompting you to seek immediate professional medical evaluation today. Think of your amazing body as a complex dashboard, where sudden external changes often reflect deep internal struggles within your heart. By paying close attention to these subtle physical manifestations, you can potentially catch dangerous cardiovascular diseases before they become truly severe. Let us explore 7 distinct physical signs that clearly indicate your cardiovascular system might be struggling to function at optimal levels. The first major warning sign we will discuss today is peripheral edema, which typically presents as noticeable swelling in your legs. You might notice significant puffiness around your ankles or feet, especially after standing for long periods during your busy daily routine. When you firmly press on the swollen area, it often leaves a noticeable indentation, a classic symptom known as pitting edema. This swelling occurs because a weakened heart cannot pump blood effectively, causing fluid to pool in the lower extremities over time. Gravity pulls this excess fluid downward, making your shoes feel unusually tight and causing significant discomfort throughout your entire lower body. If you experience this persistent swelling alongside shortness of breath, it is absolutely essential to consult your doctor without any delay. Moving on to the second crucial sign, we look at Xanthelasma, which appears as small yellow patches around your delicate eyelids. These flat, yellowish bumps are actually localized deposits of cholesterol building up right underneath the thin skin surrounding your eye area. But while they are completely painless and harmless to the skin itself, they serve as a powerful indicator of internal lipid imbalance. Research strongly links these specific yellow deposits to a significantly higher risk of developing atherosclerosis and other severe cardiovascular health conditions. If you spot these unusual fat deposits around your eyes, you must schedule a comprehensive cholesterol check with your primary physician. Do not ignore these visual markers, as managing your cholesterol levels early can prevent devastating heart attacks and life-threatening strokes later. The third important warning sign is a corneal arcus, which presents as a distinct gray or white ring around your cornea. This pale circle forms at the outer edge of the iris, creating a noticeable halo around the colored part of your eye. While this condition is quite common and generally harmless in older adults, its appearance in younger people requires immediate medical attention. And if you are under 50 and develop this ring, it strongly suggests a severe underlying disorder involving dangerously high blood lipids. This condition, known as familial hypercholesterolemia, dramatically accelerates the dangerous buildup of fatty plaques inside your vital coronary arteries over time. A simple visual inspection by your eye doctor can sometimes be the very first step in saving your precious heart health. Let us now discuss the fourth vital sign, which involves observing sudden changes in your overall skin tone and natural complexion. You may notice unusual paleness or a mottled, patchy appearance on your skin, particularly when you engage in mild physical exertion. This mottled skin often looks like a purplish net-like pattern spreading across your arms or legs during periods of physical stress. Such sudden discoloration clearly indicates that your struggling heart is having immense difficulty pumping enough oxygenated blood to your peripheral tissues. Your intelligent body automatically prioritizes sending precious oxygen to vital internal organs, leaving the outer skin layers looking noticeably pale and starved. If your skin frequently turns pale or mottled during normal daily activities, please do not dismiss it as mere fatigue or aging. This specific symptom demands a thorough cardiovascular evaluation to ensure your heart muscle is functioning properly and maintaining adequate blood circulation. The fifth alarming physical sign we must carefully examine today is cyanosis, which involves a distinct bluish tint on your body. You will typically observe this bluish or purplish discoloration appearing prominently on your lips, gums, or the tips of your fingers. Cyanosis is a direct and undeniable result of severely depleted oxygen levels circulating within your bloodstream at any given moment today. When your heart fails to pump effectively, oxygen-deprived dark red blood circulates, casting a dangerous blue shadow through your translucent skin. Experiencing blue lips after a freezing swim is normal, but developing cyanosis while resting comfortably indoors is a massive medical red flag. This symptom often accompanies severe congenital heart defects or advanced stages of heart failure that require immediate emergency medical intervention today. Never ignore blue fingertips or lips, because your body is literally begging for life-sustaining oxygen that your compromised heart cannot deliver. Our sixth significant warning sign is called nail clubbing, a peculiar physical change affecting the precise shape of your fingers and toes. In this condition, the tips of your fingers become noticeably enlarged, bulbous, and warm to the touch over a period of months. Simultaneously, your fingernails begin to curve sharply downward around the swollen fingertips, closely resembling the rounded shape of an overturned spoon. Clubbing develops very gradually, making it somewhat difficult to notice until the physical deformation of the fingers becomes quite severe and obvious. This structural change is a classic hallmark of chronic oxygen deprivation, often stemming from long-standing heart disease or severe pulmonary issues. The exact mechanism remains slightly mysterious, but it involves increased localized blood flow to the extremities attempting to compensate for low oxygen. If you observe your fingernails changing shape and your fingertips bulging abnormally, please consult a knowledgeable physician for a comprehensive heart scan. Your early detection of the underlying causes of clubbing can drastically improve your long-term prognosis and help stabilize your vulnerable cardiovascular system. Finally, the seventh critical indicator we will analyze is jugular venous distension, commonly referred to by medical professionals simply as JVD. This condition manifests as a visibly bulging or swollen vein running down the side of your neck beneath the skin surface. The distension becomes most apparent when you are sitting upright or comfortably reclining at a 45-degree angle in your chair. These prominent neck veins act as a direct pressure gauge, reflecting the intense workload currently burdening the right side of your heart. When the right ventricle fails to pump efficiently, blood continuously backs up into the veins, causing your neck veins to swell noticeably. This alarming symptom is frequently observed in patients suffering from congestive heart failure, requiring prompt and aggressive medical management to resolve. A physician will carefully measure the exact height of this venous bulge to accurately estimate the internal pressure within your struggling heart. If you notice your neck veins protruding unusually while resting, it is an undeniable signal to seek urgent cardiovascular medical attention immediately. We have now thoroughly explored 7 vital physical signs that act as crucial early warning systems for underlying cardiovascular health problems. Please remember that experiencing just one of these symptoms does not automatically guarantee you have a severe or terminal heart condition. However, these visible manifestations are your body's intelligent way of communicating deep internal distress that you simply cannot afford to ignore. Your heart works tirelessly every single second of your life, and it relies on you to recognize when it needs urgent help. Regular medical checkups, maintaining a balanced diet, and engaging in daily physical exercise are your best defenses against devastating cardiovascular diseases. Let us quickly review these 7 signs to ensure you are fully prepared to monitor your own precious health moving forward today. First, watch out for peripheral edema, characterized by persistent swelling and fluid retention in your lower legs, ankles, and tired feet. Second, keep an eye out for xanthelasma, those small, flat, yellowish cholesterol deposits forming quietly around your sensitive upper and lower eyelids. Third, be vigilant about a corneal arcus, the distinctive gray or white ring appearing around the iris in relatively young individuals. Fourth, and never ignore sudden paleness or a mottled net, like purplish skin appearance that occurs when you engage in light physical activities. Fifth, cyanosis is a major red flag, presenting as a terrifying bluish discoloration on your lips, gums, or the tips of fingers. Sixth, monitor your hands for clubbing, where your fingertips bulge outward and your nails curve downward in a very abnormal spoon shape. Seventh, check for jugular venous distension, identified by noticeably bulging veins on the side of your neck while resting at an incline. By memorizing these critical physical indicators, you empower yourself to take proactive steps in safeguarding your cardiovascular health and overall well-being today. Always trust your intuition. If something looks or feels wrong with your body, do not hesitate to schedule a professional medical consultation. A modern cardiology offers incredible treatments and interventions that can successfully manage heart disease if it is detected in its earliest possible stages. Do not wait for a catastrophic heart attack to force you into action. Use these visual clues to protect your precious life. Share this vital information with your beloved family members and close friends, because knowing these signs could potentially save their lives too. Awareness is arguably the most powerful weapon we possess in the ongoing global fight against the silent epidemic of deadly cardiovascular disease. Take a moment today to carefully examine your own body in the mirror, paying close attention to your eyes, skin, and extremities. Keep a detailed health journal to track any unusual physical changes over time, and share these valuable notes with your trusted doctor. Your health is your absolute greatest wealth, and protecting your vital heart function must always remain your #1 daily priority. We sincerely hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights into the fascinating and complex language of your own body. Remember, and our dedicated medical team are here to support your ongoing journey toward achieving optimal health and lasting wellness. If you found this educational video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more essential health wellness tips. We continuously strive to bring you the most accurate, scientifically backed medical information to help you live a longer, happier, healthier life. Please leave a comment below if you have ever noticed any of these surprising warning signs on yourself or a loved one. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and educate yourself on these incredibly important cardiovascular early warning signs today. Stay healthy, stay deeply informed, and always remember to tune in next time for another life-saving episode from Vital Health Guide.